Well, hello guys and welcome to another tutorial in which we are going to discuss something that is called factorial. Factorial of a number means the multiplications of all numbers between this number and 1. For example, if we have 4, then the factorial of 4 is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and so on. This concept is mathematical and it's going to help us to apply what we have learned the last lessons. And first we are going to get the factorial using loops. For example, if we have int x that is equal to 1, and then let's just use for loop in order to get the factorial of a specific number. Let's say int I that is equal to 5, and then I is bigger than or equal to 1, and then I minus minus, and inside it we are going to say that x is asterisk or multiply equal I, and at the end of the code we are going to system.out.println x, and then let's run it. Here we got 120. If we want the factorial of 6 and run it again, we got 720. 3, run it again. 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to really 6, and you can make sure of all other numbers from there on in. That's it to get factorial using for, and of course we can do the same thing using while and so on. The second thing is to get the factorial using recursion that we had explained the last video. Here we should say system.out.println, enter the number, and here we are going to receive the number saying, but before we do it we need to create an object of dash scanner that is equal to new scanner system.in, and then int x that is equal to enter dot next end. After that we are going to create the function that is going to get the factorial for us. Let's say that it's called static int fact, and it receives int x, and inside it we are going to say if x is bigger than 1, then return r should be small, return x times fact of x minus 1, else you are supposed to return 1. Here if we system.out.println and then fact of x end with semicolon, let's run it to see, enter a number, let's say 5, it got 120, let's say 3, 6, let's say 10, we got this number, and so on. This is for such a lesson in which we learned how to get factorial using loops or recursion. It helped us to strengthen what we had learned before, such like loops and recursion and so on. If you want to be strong in programming, you just have to practice from time to another. If you got a benefit from such a video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.